Hey, good luck on your test today. Thank you. You too. Wait, I just told my friend break a leg, and she looked at me like I was crazy. Was I wrong? No, actually, I was perfectly right. But let me explain why. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexi. Today we're talking about idioms, those weird, confusing English phrases that make absolutely no sense until they do. I picked the 5 most common ones, the ones you hear in every movie, every TV show, every conversation. Let's go! Idiom number 1, break a leg. Literally, it means your leg breaks, painful. Not fun. But in English, it means good luck. We say this especially before a performance, a test, a job interview, a presentation. Why break a leg and not just good luck? Well, in old theater superstition, saying good luck was actually considered bad luck, so actors started saying the opposite. Now everyone uses it. Example, you have a big presentation tomorrow, break a leg. Say it, break a leg, perfect. Idiom number 2, piece of cake. No, we're not talking about dessert, although cake is amazing. Piece of cake means something is very easy, so easy. It's like eating a piece of cake, effortless, enjoyable, simple. Example, how was the test? Oh, it was a piece of cake. Meaning, it was super easy, no stress, no problem. You can also use it before something. Don't worry, this will be a piece of cake. Say it, piece of cake. Nice. Idiom number 3, hit the road. Are we hitting anything? No. Is the road in trouble? Definitely not. Hit the road simply means to leave, to start a journey, to go. You say this when you're about to leave somewhere. Example, okay, everyone, it's getting late. I think it's time to hit the road. Meaning, I need to leave now. Or, we should hit the road early tomorrow to avoid traffic. Meaning, we should leave early. Say it, hit the road, great. Idiom number 4, under the weather. This one is so useful and so commonly used. Under the weather means feeling sick, not seriously ill, just a little unwell, tired, not your best. Example, are you coming to the party tonight? I don't think so. I'm feeling a little under the weather. Meaning, I feel a bit sick. Or, you look under the weather today. Are you okay? You can use this at work, at school, with friends, anywhere. It's polite, it's natural, and now you know it. Say it, under the weather, perfect. Idiom number 5, and my personal favorite, spill the beans. Are we cooking? No. Did someone drop something? No. Spill the beans means to reveal a secret, to tell people something that was supposed to be private. Example, I wasn't supposed to tell anyone about the surprise party ... But I totally spilled the beans. Meaning, I accidentally told the secret. Or, come on, spill the beans. What happened last night? Meaning, tell me everything. I want to know the secret. This one is fun, casual, and native speakers use it all the time. Say it, spill the beans, love it. Okay, super fast recap. Number 1, break a leg means good luck. Number 2, piece of cake means very easy. Number 3, hit the road means let's go, time to leave. Number 4, under the weather means feeling a little sick. Number 5, spill the beans means tell the secret. 5 idioms. You just leveled up your English. Seriously, you should be proud. Now here's your challenge. Use one of these idioms today, in a text, in a conversation, anywhere. Which one will you use first? Tell me in the comments. I'm waiting. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Smart English AI so you never miss a lesson. And next video, we're talking about make versus do, the rule that confuses everyone, even advanced learners. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you there. Bye.